So you want to send a personalized mass email in GetResponse. Whether it's a newsletter, a promotion, or an important update, you don't want it to feel like a generic blast. Instead, you need emails that actually feel personal, so people open them, read them, and take action. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, and at the end, I'll share an exclusive extended free trial for GetResponse and some even better alternatives with more advanced personalization options. Let's get started. First, log in to your GetResponse account. Head over to the email marketing section and click Create Newsletter. This is where you'll craft your email. You have two main options, the drag and drop editor or the HTML editor. If you want full customization, use the drag and drop builder. But if you're more technical, the HTML editor gives you total control. Next, to personalize your email, use the personalization tags. GetResponse lets you insert the recipient's name, email, and other details dynamically. Just click the Personalization button in the editor and select a variable like first name. This means instead of "Hey there," your email will say "Hey, John," automatically for each recipient. But here's the catch. If a subscriber didn't enter their name when signing up, you'll need a fallback option, like "Hey there" or "Hey friend," so it doesn't look broken. The next thing you want to do is segment your list properly. Sending the same message to everyone isn't ideal. GetResponse allows you to create custom segments based on behavior, location, or past interactions. If you're promoting a sale, you can target only past buyers. If it's an event, you can email subscribers from a specific region. This makes sure your emails stay relevant and actually get opened. Now, let's talk about dynamic content, which is a game changer if used right. This lets you show different content blocks to different people in the same email. For example, if someone's a past customer, they might see a VIP discount, while new subscribers see a welcome offer. GetResponse has this feature, but it's a bit limited compared to other platforms like ActiveCampaign or Brevo, which have more advanced automation. Once your email is ready, you need to optimize the subject line and preview text. Personalization works here too. Adding the recipient's name in the subject line can boost open rates. GetResponse has an A/B testing feature where you can test different subject lines to see what works best. Make sure your preview text is engaging because it's the first thing people see in their inbox. Before sending, always schedule your email strategically. GetResponse offers perfect timing, which analyzes your past open rates and sends emails at the best time for each subscriber. However, this isn't as advanced as some competitors like MailerLite, which gives even more control over time zone-based sending. Finally, after sending your email, check the analytics dashboard. GetResponse provides open rates, click rates, and engagement stats. The key here is tracking which emails perform best and continuously refining your strategy. If you want deeper insights, other tools like ConvertKit or Klaviyo might be better, especially for e-commerce. Now, if you're looking for an exclusive extended free trial of GetResponse, I've linked it below. But if you need even better automation and personalization, I've also included top alternatives that give you more flexibility, like ActiveCampaign, which has way more advanced automation, and Brevo, which is more affordable for startups. All of them come with free trials through our link, so you can test them out and see what works best for you. Check it out below, and I'll see you in the next video.